I see someone like you. Let me see my disgrace talked about in your name. I'll speak just one verse and then what all will I see? What all should I see? If sleep comes, will I see gatherings come alive? If my eyes open, I see only a desert of loneliness. Should I see the desert? Evening has fallen and my eyes have grown dim. Oh, forget for one, how long should I watch your past? Should I watch the past? One by one, all my friends have left me. Today I see myself alone in your memory. Should I see myself alone? If only light came and filled my party with sandalwood. Among so many strangers, I would see that one hand as my own. Should I see my own? You don't seem to belong to me at all, my life. Yet I see my heart beating only for you. Should I see my heart beating? He closed my eyes and laughed playfully. Every day I watch this game of being erased. Should I watch the spectacle? I fulfill all his stubborn wishes, listen to every word. I watch him laugh like a child. Should I see him? May he fall over me like the scent of rain. And I see every part of me blooming in that season. Should I see it blooming? Like a flower, every part of my body opens, petal by petal. I see the shadow of his lips. Should I see the shadow? The moment I have worshipped just once, I wish to see it descend as a dream into your eyes. Should I see it descend? You are unique like me, my beloved. Yet my heart wishes to see someone else like you. Should I see someone like you? Let my fragile pots break or melt. Should I look at you or at this river of fire? Should I see the river? Let me see my disgrace talked about in your name. I'll speak just one verse and then what all will I see? What all should I see?